everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Akugha Precious. I'm a certified business coach. If you are new here, this channel is about business ideas, making money online, building income stream, and creating financial freedom without falling for scams or unrealistic promises. Today, I want to talk about something that has been heavily misunderstood on this internet: passive income. You have probably seen videos, make money while you sleep, earn 500K every week without working, set this up once and collect money forever. The internet is full of these claims, and honestly, many people have become frustrated because they believe those promises. Some bought courses and some invested money. Some even spent months trying different opportunities, yet nothing happened. The problem is not that passive income is fake. The problem is that many people are being sold a fantasy version of passive income. Today, I want to expose the biggest lies about passive income and show you what actually works in 2026. Because if you understand this properly, you can build real income stream that continues generating money for years. Let's begin. The first lie they told you is that passive income requires no work. This is probably the biggest lie on the internet. Think about it. Imagine someone owns a building and collects rent every month. Many people look at that and say, wow, that's passive income. But what they don't see is the years of effort it took to buy that property. The person had to earn money, save money, find a property, manage paperwork, handle maintenance, and deal with tenants. The income looks passive today, but it wasn't passive when it was being built. This applies to almost every successful passive income stream. A YouTube channel requires creating videos. A digital product requires creating content. An affiliate marketing business requires building an audience. An online store requires setting up systems. The income may become semi-passive later, but it is active work at the beginning. This is why many people quit, because they expect passive income immediately. Instead, they discover that there are work involved. But the truth is simple. Passive income is not about making money without work. It is about doing work today that continues paying you tomorrow. That's a huge difference. The second lie is that passive income makes you rich overnight. Social media has made people impatient. Everyone wants fast money. Everyone wants instant results. Everyone wants a breakthrough tomorrow. But real passive income rarely works like that. Think about painting a mango tree. You don't plant it today and harvest tomorrow. You water it, protect it, give it time. Eventually, it starts producing fruit. The same principle applies to passive income. Many successful YouTubers spent years posting videos before they started earning serious money. Many bloggers wrote hundreds of articles before seeing meaningful incomes. Many business owners worked years before their system became automated. The reality is that passive income rewards consistency, not impatience. The people who eventually succeed are usually the ones who stay in the game longer than everyone else. The third lie is that passive income is easy. Some opportunities are simpler than others, but easy is the wrong word. Building anything valuable requires effort. Even a simple digital product requires research. You need to understand people's problem, create a solution, package it properly, market it, improve it, answer customers' questions, because nothing valuable is completely effortless. The reason people fail is because they are searching for easy way instead of asking, what's the easiest way to make money? Ask, what's the most realistic way to build long-term income? That question will change your life. The fourth lie is that you need a lot of money to start. This belief stops many Nigerians even from trying. Many people think passive income is only for the rich. That's not true. Some passive income streams require capital. Real estate is one example, but others require more time than money. For example, YouTube channel, affiliate marketing, digital products, online coaching, blogging, print on demand, content creation, community building. Most of this can start with just a smartphone and internet. What you lack in money, can often replace with effort, learning, and consistency. The internet has created opportunity that simply did not exist 20 years ago. Today, a person with a phone can reach millions of people. That's powerful. The fifth lie is that passive income means you will never work again. That's another dangerous misconception. Even successful passive income businesses requires maintenance. A YouTube creator must keep creating content. A website owner must update articles. An online store owner must monitor operation. And landlord must maintain properties. A digital product creator must update materials. The income may become easier to manage, but completely abandoning it often causes income to decline. Think of passive income as a garden. You may not need to plant every day, but you still need to water it occasionally. The sixth lie is that passive income is enough. Many people dream of finding one magical opportunity that solves all financial problems forever. Life rarely works that way. Successful people often build multiple income streams, not because one stream cannot feed them, but because diversification creates stability. Imagine relying on one source of income. If that source disappears, you are in trouble. Oh. Now, imagine having a YouTube channel, affiliate income, digital products, consulting, investments. The risk becomes lower. One income stream can support another. This is how many financially successful people operate. They don't depend on one thing. They build ecosystem. The seventh lie is that passive income is only online. That's another misconception. Passive income can exist in both online and offline. Online example includes YouTube, affiliate marketing, digital products, online courses, blogs, apps, and offline example includes rental properties, vending machines, equipment rentals, franchise businesses, royalties, investment. The goal is not necessarily online or offline. The goal is creating system that continues producing value after the initial effort. The eighth lie is that everyone making money online is lying. Now let's balance it. Yes, there are scammers. Yes, there are fake gurus. Yes, there are people exaggerating their results. But not everyone is lying. Some people genuinely make money online. Some people genuinely earn from YouTube. Some people genuinely earn from affiliate marketing. And some people are selling digital products genuinely. The mistake is assuming that because some people lie, everyone lies. The better approach is to verify information, ask questions, research, look for proof, use common sense. Don't become cynical. Become informed. The eighth lie is that passive income eliminates financial problems. Money solves many problems, but it doesn't solve everything. Some people think if I make 1 million naira every month, all my problems have disappeared. Not necessarily. Income helps, but financial success also requires discipline. You still need budgeting. You need planning. You also still need good decision making. Without discipline, even large income can disappear. That's why financial education matters. Making money is one skill, but keeping it is another skill. Growing money is another skill. The 10th lie is that passive income is shortcuts. This may be more dangerous than all. Oh. People search for shortcuts because they want faster results. Scammers understand this. That's why they constantly advertise fake opportunities that sounds too good to be true. Whenever you hear things like no work required, guaranteed profit, instant wealth, earn millions quickly, be careful because free wealth is naturally built through value creation, not shortcuts, not magic, not luck, but through value creation. The more value you create, the more opportunity you have to earn income. Now, let's discuss what actually works. What does real passive income look like? First, content creation. This one is my favorite model because it allows ordinary people to start with minimal capital. A YouTube can continue generating views for years. A Facebook post can attract followers, and blog article can generate traffic. A piece of content becomes a digital asset. One asset may not change your life, but hundreds of assets can. Every video you publish is like planting a seed. Some seed fails and some grow slowly. Some explode unexpectedly. The key is volume and consistency. Second one is digital products. Digital products are powerful because it can be sold repeatedly. Example includes courses, templates, guides, checklists, ebooks, workbooks. A product can be created once and sold many times. Of course, marketing is still necessary, but the scalability is very impressive. The third one is affiliate marketing. This involves recommending a product or services and any commission when people buy through your link. The advantage is that you don't need to create your own product. You simply connect buyers with solutions. However, success usually comes from trust and audience building. That's why content creation and affiliate marketing often work well together. Fourth, investment. Investing in one of the most traditional forms of passive income, whether through stocks, businesses, or other investments. Money can be put to work. However, investing requires education. Never invest in something you don't understand. Never invest on hype. And never invest because someone's promised guaranteed return. Understand what you are doing first. Fifth, building systems. This is what many people overlook. The wealthiest people often focus on systems. A system works even when you are not actively involved. For example, a business with trained staff, a content library generating traffic, a product funnel generating sales, an automated process serving customers. The bigger the system, the greater the leverage. Now, let me share something important. Most people are not failing because passive income doesn't work. Most people are failing because they quit too early. They upload 5 videos and stop. They write 3 blog posts and stopped. They promote affiliate products for 2 weeks and stopped. They expect results before momentum had time to develop. Success often arrives later than expected. That's why persistence matters. The person who keeps showing up usually beats the person who keeps starting over. Another mistake people make is chasing too many opportunities. Today is crypto, tomorrow it's dropshipping, next week forex trading, the week after it's AI, then Amazon, then blogging, then real estate, then something else. Constant switching destroys momentum. Choose one path, learn it deeply, master it, then expand. Depth usually beats distraction. I also want to talk about social media. Many creators make passive income sound glamorous. Luxury cars, private jets, expensive houses, huge bank balance. But remember this, social media shows highlights, but not reality. What matters is not appearing rich. What matters is building genuine assets. An asset is something that continues generating value. A flashy lifestyle is not an asset, but a profitable YouTube channel is. A digital product library is. A loyal audience is. A growing business is. Focus on assets, not appearance. If I were starting from zero today in Nigeria, here is what I would do. I would build a personal brand, create content consistently. I would learn valuable skills. I would document every journey. I would grow audience. Then I would monetize through simple methods, just like what I'm doing right now. Why? Because attention is valuable. People buy from what they trust. A strong personal brand creates opportunities. Opportunities create income, and income creates freedom. The world has changed. Today, ordinary people can build audience, ordinary people can sell products, and ordinary people can create businesses from their phones. But it still requires effort. It still requires patience. It still requires consistency. There is no escaping reality. So the next time someone tells you that passive income is easy, remember this. Passive income is not free money. Passive income is delayed reward. You work now, you benefit later. You build now, you earn later. You plant now, you harvest later. That is how it works. And honestly, there is something beautiful about it. because it means success is available to ordinary people. You don't need luck. You don't need connections. You don't need perfection. You need commitment. You need persistence. You need willingness to keep going when results are slow. People earning passive income today were once beginners too. They stayed focused. They started uncertain. They started with limited resource. The difference is that they kept moving forward. So instead of chasing passive income fantasy, focus on building passive income assets. Focus on creating value. Focus on helping people. Focus on consistency. Focus on learning. Focus on growth because that's what actually works. And if you do that long enough, you will eventually reach a point where your past work continue creating income long after it was created. That's the real meaning of passive income, not magic, not shortcuts, and not overnight success. Just smart work done consistently over time. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it to someone who needs it. Someone who needs to hear the truth about passive income. My name is Akugha Precious. I'm a certified business coach, and I will see you in the next video.